Hello everyone, welcome to my video. One of my friends gave me this fabric to make sharara. So here I have done the cutting of the front side. See, one of this kurti short and backless. So I have to take in the shoulder. Here is 5.5 inches and the neck depth 2.75 inches and the front side thickness as 6.75 and the chest size is 36. Now place the fabric over the lining. This is a georgette fabric, so it should be pinned up properly here. Now stitch the neckline, then turn it over. After stitching the neckline, we have to stitch it all around. And I also stitched the cut that was made on the front side. The cut made here is for fitting. Back side I have taken 14 inch and given this shape. I just cut it and after that stitch the main fabric with the lining. Now I made the back side dory. I have taken 1 inch of fabric for this. Fold the fabric and sew along the edge. And after that, turn it over with the help of a needle. Here my dory is ready. Now I'm cutting the cloth to make sharara pant. Pant measurements are given on the screen. I will add frill to this pant, so I will cut them only up to the knees and the frills from the knees down. here. After stitching, I took measurements because the frill has to be made according to it. For the frill, this georgette fabric and lining have to cut in the same size. After making these frills, now stitch it together and then join the frills to the pant. This is how the dress looks. If you like this video, do like and comment and subscribe my channel for stitching related videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.